What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Cardano ADA token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, right after we had this massive movement to the downside, and we had a bounce, as you can see, with this huge candle that has a long wick to the downside, and definitely it was a bullish candle that implies next potential movement to the upside. And as you can see, we have this consolidation phase, and for now most likely we will have this formation as the triangle. And if it is the case, this formation might have a breakout either way. And definitely we have to be cautious because of this. So on top of that, we have this movement to the downside with increase in volume, and we had next candle that drives the price again inside this formation above the $1 price point. And definitely $1 is a very strong support line, and it is a bullish sign that we have massive breakout below this range, but none of these candles closed at the range below $1, and this means this was the false breakout below $1 mark, and definitely this range should hold. But I will continue my technical analysis in just several minutes, and I will show you the bearish sign that we have for now and that we have to be aware of. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. And we are sitting at $1.72 trillion of total market cap. It is a 0.43% increase over the last day. And as you can see, all major cryptocurrencies pretty much in green. Bitcoin has 0.89% of gains during the last 24 hours. Ethereum has 1.49%, and BNB lost 0.13%. And on 7 days period, they have slightly higher gains. Bitcoin has almost 8%, Ethereum almost 6%, and BNB almost 5.5%. So this movement to the upside is quite good movement by itself, but we are not out of the woods, because we should have a much higher bounce from the bottom of the price action, and that's why I think potentially we might have one more leg to the downside. So let me show you the Cardano numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $35.66 billion. It is higher than it was previously by 1.46%. And the total tradable volume is $892.71 million. And it is decreased for 22%. And let me show you that we have consistently diminishing volume during this side movement. This means we are nearing some kind of apex where we will have increase in volume and the breakout. And this breakout definitely will be out of this formation. And if I make it correct, potentially we might have it like this. Pretty much it might be even an ascending triangle. And this formation is a bullish one. But let's continue with the news. So right here on zcrypto.com we have this article that is titled "Cardano large holders double ADA holdings in just 10 days as prospects of rapid price increase mounts." And let me show you this. The statistic implies that large holders have doubled their holdings in just 10 days, corresponding to over $50 million, according to the current cryptocurrency prices in the market. Such a strategy indicates that most investors continue being optimistic about ADA's growth potential in the long term. And I have to say that in the long term, my position is also very bullish on Cardano, but short-term perspective is not so clear for me. And let me show you this article. It shows the correlation in between crypto market and the traditional market. And let me show you this. Before the pandemic, crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Ether showed little correlation with major stock indexes. And the correlation coefficient of their daily moves was just 0.01. But that measure jumped to 0.36 for 2020 to 2021 as the assets moved more in a lockstep, rising together or falling together. And this is the price chart of S&P 500 index. It is this line, dark blue line, and the light blue line is the price of Bitcoin. And as you can see, when the price of stocks goes down, we have the correlation with the Bitcoin price, and we have high correlation right here. Let me show you more thoroughly. At this very point, when the price of stocks goes down, Bitcoin also goes down. And when the price of stocks goes up, Bitcoin spikes as well. So that's why, in my opinion, we have to keep an eye on traditional markets, and they will be opened on Monday. And definitely we have more bearish pressure on traditional markets for now. That's why if the stock market will fall on Monday, we will see the decrease in price for the major cryptocurrencies and for the Cardano as well. But if the price will go up, we will definitely see the breakout above this range of resistance, and potentially it might be right here, as I already mentioned, as a symmetrical triangle. And that's why we have to be cautious with this price action. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you some bearish signs that I have with this price chart. As you can see, if I connect exactly this top and this one, we have lower high on price action, and if I connect these tops, we have higher high on RSI. And this pattern is the hidden bearish divergence. This means the RSI, as you can see, is hovering exactly in the middle of the neutral territory, and it might go either way, but most likely, because of this pattern, we might see next leg to the downside and we might hit lower price targets. So what are the levels that we might hit? First of all, we should break this support line, and as I already mentioned, it is extremely strong support of $1 price point. It is a psychological number, first of all, and we have a lot of support right here as well on previous price action. And on top of that, let me show you that we have several weeks below this range, and it also might be a range of support, and the next range is right here at 0.91 cents. Let me mark it for you. And let's take a look on the price action before these dates. So definitely we have this range of about 80 cents. That might also be a support for the price action. And let me show you more thoroughly right here. We have these three ranges that might act as a support. And definitely, if you want to enter your swing trade position, I don't suggest you to enter on the way down, because we might break all of these supports. But if you want to invest in this asset, fundamentally, nothing is changed for Cardano, and that's why you can add your position on every daily red candle, and this will give you more attractive average price to have more profits in the future. But all in all, I think we won't see any breakouts out of this formation during this weekend, and we have to wait the traditional market's reaction. And that's why, in my opinion, if we'll break this formation to the upside, if I make this line a little bit longer, we still have this triangle. And if we will break it to the upside, it will be more bullish overall. And definitely, the higher the volume of the breakout will be, the more confirmation of the potential trend we will have. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!